for today. But hey, it's alright. So, welcome back to a new video, team. I'm with old mate Lance from Fish the Drift. Today we are up a little stream in Central Otago. So, pretty cool looking scenery, eh? Like big hills behind us and cool wee stream. I've fished this river or stream down and further up before, but not this spot. And Lance fished here last time, we got a real good one. He said there was quite a few, so we're gonna get set up, get everything sorted, and then we're gonna hit our way up river. Most of it's sight fishing as well, so hopefully we get some good footage. I don't know, we might be able to get 1 or 2 videos out today, who knows, but for now, gonna get waders on, gear sorted, and we're gonna get fishing. So, enjoy the video. Yo.
Go, bitch.
Let's go. Alright. I'm pretty sure I seen one rise in behind this tree when I was setting up, so I don't know, see what's around. Pretty likely looking water though. I can see pretty well in there even without my glasses on. Have a gander. Even up on that far right hand side. Bloody good looking water though. Perhaps as well. Yeah. See? Yeah. Oh, ready? Yes. Alright.
Go, bitch. I can see what's going to happen here.
I'm gonna borrow Aaron, bro. I'm gonna get down low.
He's going to hit that front.
I know.
You're going to have to swing him hard. Hang on, good. Let him rest.
No smoke.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we've changed spots, pulled up, and there's fish rising straight away. Oh yeah? It's not bad size, is it, right?
He's got the size of you, mate.
Oh, that's a good rise up there, look at that. That was a better rise. Dry fly time. Alright, I see that fish. So we're going to get down here. Yeah, bro, it's warm as. Let's have a crack at this fish. I know. There's fish rising everywhere, bro. A few fish rising up and behind this tree up here, so might go and give them a go. Get a cast into them and something might happen. Yep. Only a little guy. Gotta start somewhere though. Yeah. Only a little guy. There's a bigger fish in there rising though. Oi! Got off. Gotta start somewhere though. Oh, that was alright. Yeah, there's that good one rising. Have a crack at him. Really good fish in front of me. He's right in front of me. Right there. Oh, about 4 pound that one. Okay. Man, this is a sick bit of water. Should be a few fish through here. Look at this. Wicked piece of water. Lance just lost a real nice one. Probably like 3 or 4 pound. I lost one. Check this out. Mint water. I'd imagine fish, if they're going to be anywhere, they're going to be on that other side and behind that willow. And what I'll do is I'll get down here and then just slowly walk our way up, try to find something. Wicked water though. I haven't fished through here ever, so it's new water for me. Neither has Lance. So, pretty sure that was a rise there. Not 100% sure, but yeah, it was. I don't know how big it is. See if I can catch it though. On that other side. Got him. Oh. Get him on the reel. It's actually not a bad fish at all. Wicked. Oh, he's going nuts on the nymph. Just seen my dry stop and I was like, well, I don't think my dry's hit the bottom. But no, it's a fish. Nice fish too. Probably 2 pound. It's not huge. Might be 2.5. Check it up. Oh, okay. Oh, strong fish. Really strong fish. Oh, in and out of the net. Gotcha. Okay, nice. 2.5, I reckon. Bring him over here. Pretty cool looking fish. Interesting colours. What would he be? I reckon he'll go, might go 3 pound, 2.5. Two and a bit. Nice. Right. Alright. Shows at home. Nice. 2.25 pound. Here, buddy. Thank you for playing the game. Ooh, we're on the board. We are on the board. Good shit. About time. We'll keep working our way up here. It's probably small fish here. It's rising behind that tree. We'll keep going. See what happens. But hey, we're on the board. We caught one. Good shit. And there is a fish. Yeah. If you get on that point and do a bow and arrow cast, I reckon you'll be able to get him. So he just rose in. Yeah, that should do it. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Yep. Oh,
There's a wee one.
nah, it was probably.
There's a wee one, bro.
Oh,
There's a way bigger one in the back.
oh. Oh, bro, he followed it for ages.
Bro, there's a way bigger one in the back.
Yeah? No, he wasn't that small. He was probably like 2 or 3 pounds. But like, if the other one's bigger, then. Well, team, we've walked quite far. Caught a couple fish. Only got, I think I caught 2, 1. Hooked that other fish. We're gonna head back downstream, see what's happening, and then yeah, probably cut track, I'd imagine. Whew. Dunburger. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Was alright, caught a few fish, seen a couple fish in a pool. There's a little clip, I'll put it in now. And then yeah, managed to net 2 fish, which was pretty weird. Lots of dry fly action, but no, we didn't get many fish. We caught a few, nothing really huge. It's actually a fish rising down there in front of me, but I'm all packed up now, so he's safe. But yeah, good day's fishing, really warm, got a bit sunburnt, but hey, all in all, it was good fun. So yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and yeah, see you later. Yo.